Plaintiffs Mariah Zayas and her mother, Dolly Taylor, say soon after Mariah started dating the defendant, they realized he was manipulative, controlling, and had anger issues. Mariah claims after they broke up, the defendant posted a topless picture of her online, and they're suing for personal property and emotional distress. Defendant Richard Gonzalez says he broke up with Mariah because she started hanging out with strippers and posted half-naked pictures of herself online. Richard insists Mariah was the violent one, and he has video to prove it. He's countersuing for a bail bond and emotional distress.
Start with you all.
Okay, Your Honor. Mr. Gonzalez was my daughter's and is my daughter's ex-boyfriend. They went out for approximately 4 or 5 months total. At first, I really liked him. Seemed like a good guy to me. But over time, I found out how manipulative and controlling he was to my daughter. Little by little, he controlled her and manipulated her.
Why don't you tell me about the relationship?
Yeah, I'm just gonna tell you that.
Well, after we started dating, I had gotten into a fight with my parents at the time and decided to stay with him during this time, and because I wanted to be independent, so on. Everything was fine for about a week, and after that, it started to change. I started noticing that he had anger issues and so on. For instance, he would come home from work, and if I didn't have dinner ready for him, he would be extremely angry. If I didn't have the house clean for him, he would be extremely angry. He would...
You all lived together after 4 months, or after how many months?
She had only been going out with him a couple weeks. And when
So-
she
at
moved
this
in.
time.
2 weeks after dating, you moved in with him?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
How old were you then?
18.
Go ahead.
Anyway, at this point, I wasn't having a super great relationship with my parents, so I stayed.
Because they didn't approve of you leaving
Yes.
at age 18 to live with the man after knowing him for 2 weeks?
Well, I've actually known him since high school.
Dating?
Yeah. But we've only been dating for about 2 weeks at this time. But anyways, so...
He became controlling in what way? What type of things?
Just for that instance, he wanted me to have dinner ready for him when he got home and the room clean, his laundry done, so on. As for the manipulative sense, I had told him, him being my boyfriend at the time, in certain traumatizing experiences that I've been through. I don't want to go into detail, but he would pick fun at those things. Whenever I would make him upset, he would make jokes about them, and he would never see the wrong in them because to him it was all a joke. To me, these things were extremely hurting me, and I didn't really have any other option because of my parents' relationship
And
with me.
how and when did you break up?
December 11th.
Okay, you're suing about property. What occurred with the property?
The property was given to us by my grandmother. It's been in our family for 70 years. It was an entire bedroom set, which he claims that he wants to keep it.
So when she moved out, did she try and take it and he
Yes.
kept it?
Yes. We had to have a preserve the peace with the police officer so that we could pick up her property, because at that time we had filed protection orders on him and everything.
Why'd you file protection orders? She has to tell
she
me all
needs
that.
to tell you
man.
that, yes.
Go ahead.
Well, we filed the TPO because when we went to go get me off the lease so that I could get my things and so on, I was informed by the people at the apartment complex that he had already filed a TPO on me. So they changed the locks and I was not able, and I was already off the lease, and I was not able to come and retrieve my property. So we did the preserve the peace and everything, and they informed us that we had to go to Sparks PD and tell them about all of this. So I filed a temporary protection order for my safety against him as well. Was it January 8th? Or
The
was it-
Thanksgiving incident is...
I'm talking about the 8th. Oh yeah. On January 8th, we had a hearing.
Well, I want to hear about the bedroom set.
Yes.
All right, so you go back into that.
So
you were telling me.
I was there when that happened. We had to have the police come to preserve the peace so that she could pick up her property. He claimed at that point that everything was his. Wouldn't let us take anything but a few items like clothes and things like that.
And you never got the bedroom set?
Never got the bedroom.
All right, let me hear from you, young man, and then we'll get back to what you were saying, ma'am.
Hello, sir. First of all, about the whole bed set, I have text messages right here, me trying to text her dad because he was the only guy that would actually respond to me. She wouldn't respond to me or anyone. No one would respond to me. I actually tried to give them their stuff back. And then the day that I
let
got...
me see the text message where you offered to give the things back.
That's not true.
Here you go. It's the highlighted part.
I would have had my bed.
And then on top of that, I've multiple times, and when they went and got the stuff, I was at work and I arrived with the police there, and this was the day I got my TPO against them because prior to this, they already made like 2 trips on my house, just taking stuff while I was at work. So my landlady said the best way to get them from walking into my house was to get a TPO on them. And they wouldn't talk to me or anything. I tried
You have
to...
evidence of your TPO?
Yes, sir.
Let's see it.
And the reason why we ended up leaving that night is because I found out that she was actually like running around. She was hanging out with strippers, doing
False.
drugs. I actually have a picture of her that her friend posted of her with a bottle of champagne and Lucy on the streets is acid. And she posted that on herself.
And how
You're
does
saying
that
that's
return
why
the
you
case?
broke up.
Yeah, because my girlfriend's half naked right there. It's like, and
I'm
then
in a
she's posting
bikini.
that everywhere. And then on the abusive part, on what they said, she's a total liar and the abusive one. I have actually a video right here of her actually hitting me, and then
Oh, false. Love to see this video.
my girlfriend's half naked right there. It's like, and
I'm
then
in a
she's posting
bikini.
that everywhere. And then on the abusive part, on what they said, she's a total liar and the abusive one. I have actually a video right here of her actually hitting me, and then...
Oh, false.
Plaintiffs Mariah Zayas and her mother, Dolly Taylor, are suing Mariah's ex-boyfriend, who claims he has video of Mariah getting violent with him.
We have the video. Let's see it.
Wow.
Come on, Kiana, why aren't you ready for work?
Go
You're just about to call your mom talking.
Yeah, I'm gonna call
Yeah.
my mom to give me a ride since you abandoned
Why?
me because you're telling me that I need to walk to
No,
work.
I'm right here I'm about to take you to
Oh,
work. But here-
now you're trying to pretend like you're
but here,
fine.
it's 2:30,
Yeah,
and
okay.
she's not even getting ready.
Because of you, you
Look, and she's smiling about it.
because I'm gonna you up.
And then
That is play
why I
fighting.
say that,
That's
she's
what?
That's play fighting. They
No,
play.
it's not.
But no,
That's
they
not
play
at all.
fighting.
That's not play fighting at all. That's not play fighting. Is that play drugs in front of her too?
No.
She looks like she's high or just been getting high all night. You want to tell me that's playing too? Where she says she's getting high off Lucy, acid, hot tubs, the best ever, naked. Does that play too, Mama?
I saw that.
Yeah. Okay.
It was
Is that
her girlfriends
play?
in the
Is that
bathroom.
play?
Your Honor?
Using Lucy. You know about Lucy?
Yes,
the
I do.
acid?
Your Honor.
Okay, good. I just want to make sure you know.
Your Honor, I do.
And I saw her hit you. Go ahead.
That's not something that she.
Go ahead.
And sir, I just want to let you know, they also threw me in jail on false accusations. I
False?
actually have the text messages that she put into my court system that put me in jail, and they were actually really false because I have the real text message and the text message she sent. She
You
deleted all
have
the
my
text.
side of the
Be
text.
quiet, ma'am.
She deleted all the text messages that I sent her, so it looked like literally I sent
All
her
right,
a
but let's
thousand
get back
text
first of all to the property. Then we'll go into that. That's your counterclaim.
Yes, sir.
What happened with the bed?
With the bed,
You said you'd give it to them. Where is it now?
it's there. They never actually got it. They
All right.
been in my house at least 3 times that I could
All
count
right.
on paper, and they've never got it.
What
once.
else do you all want me to know? He says he still has the property. What else do you want me to know regarding your emotional distress?
He posted a photo of me, a topless photo of me publicly.
So did you.
So did you, yeah.
Not topless.
Not topless. I was close.
Let me see.
This is a topless
not
photo.
topless. Did it say she was on acid then too?
This
No,
is
that's
it's
not even
pixelated.
her. Sorry.
This
Your
is
Honor,
not
but that's
my
even her
Instagram
Facebook.
account.
She
This
didn't
is my.
post that.
I didn't post this.
She didn't post
Okay.
that.
Your
Her friend
friends took
did.
it
It was my
without your
friend.
permission and posted it?
Yeah.
No.
You
Wait,
talked
what?
to you? She said no, you say yeah.
Well, go
Which
ahead.
one
Oh,
is
wait,
it?
No, I don't know what.
He wants to know if your friend, if you authorized your friend to post that.
I had no idea she posted it until after she did. I
Okay,
didn't
did
tell
you
her
say
to.
something to her?
After I posted it.
No, after she posted it. Remember she did it.
I didn't even see it posted on Instagram when
I
it was
know,
posted.
but you found out she did.
Not until just now that I knew
That's
it was on
not true.
Instagram.
You said until later. You didn't say just now. Let's move on, young lady.
Okay.
You're
All right.
coming across now as a total liar. Your credibility has been severely damaged. Coming in here acting like Mother Teresa, and here you're in here attacking this man, drugged out, drugs right in front of you, arguing about going to work. Then I see this where you and your friends half naked talking about you're high on Lucy. How has he caused you emotional distress, young lady?
Can I speak?
Yeah.
Sorry.
How has he
I'm
caused
sorry.
you emotional distress?
Mr. Gonzalez, he has been harassing my daughter
No,
since they
you.
broke up.
What has he done to you?
Oh, to me?
Yes.
No, the emotional distress. is
You
for
don't
my
have.
daughter.
You can't tell me what he's done to you.
What he's done to
You.
me is put my
Yes,
daughter
you.
through this.
You.
You're the one that's
Ma'am, you want to tell me about the emotional distress he's caused you? Because I saw you striking him. Okay, give us some tissue. Nobody did anything to you in
he
here.
struck
Just
her.
didn't go with that game. Show me the video where he struck her.
We don't have video.
All
We have
right. Do
police
you have
report,
any
'cause I
evidence
have
that he
police
struck her?
report.
You have the police report that
Yes.
says he struck her and they arrested him for
No,
it?
about the harassing.
No, struck. You just said struck, ma'am.
No.
Do you have that?
I have witness statements. That's all.
No, your mother said you had it in a police
I
report.
was on the
Your
phone
claim
with
is
her when that
dismissed.
happened.
Give them their things within 30 days, sir, else you'll be paying the amount of the judgment they're asking for. This man, you got an injunction against him after he got an injunction against you. That's a very familiar tactic that people use in order to avoid what they're being accused of. They go and accuse the person of the same thing. Have a good day. Your claim is dismissed for emotional distress. You have 30 days in which to get them their property back. Your claim is granted, sir. I believe you. Have a good day.
Hey! What's good? Hey! What's good? This is real, right? Slap me as hard as you can.